morning, everybody. Well, I'm out today, day after a hurricane came through. But the main reason why I'm out is because I had to drop my dog off to get groomed. And usually I take this opportunity to go and photograph. So I'm at the conference house, and I'm going to take some photos while I'm waiting for him to get groomed. So I found this interesting right off the bat. The way the sun was coming up over the roof and the way this tree was on the side. So what I did was I put my aperture way up to 22 so I can get a sun star, looks like a star, and then I adjusted my shutter speed accordingly, and I think I got a good shot. Now here's another one. I like the way this tree is in the foreground, the conference house is in the background, and the sun is up top. So I'm going to shoot that now. Now I'm at this pavilion, and I'm going to go under it towards the beach. So today I had a little bit of an issue. I guess it's a good issue to have. I didn't know if I wanted to shoot photos, videos, or drone. So I decided, let me go do some photography work today, because video is a whole different animal. So right off the bat, I'm on the beach. I see a shot right here. See the tree, but I could see the beach behind it. You know, the branches are framing the beach, so that's going to be a shot. So I'm just coming from the beach. I got some great shots of a guy was throwing this huge stick into the water, and his dog was running in and getting it. So he let me take some photos of that, and that's it. I'm headed out, and I'm probably going to head to Princess Bay and see what's there. All right, so I'll catch you over there. Ah, the sound of water. It's a beautiful sound, isn't it? It's just relaxing to hear. So I'm relaxing. I could use it. So this is where I am now. Man, it is so peaceful. Sometimes I forget I'm in a borough of New York City. All I hear is birds, the waves, and the bell out there clanking on the buoy. We all need this for our souls once in a while. Nature is a gift to us that I don't know if we always remember, but it is a gift that I think more of us, especially me, have to appreciate and take advantage of. Because it's like, I'm going to get philosophical here. It's like medicine for your soul, really. That's what it is. It's medicine. Whether you like rainy days, sunny days, hot, cold, snow, the beach, the mountains, whatever, wildlife, it really is medicine. So I'm gonna get my dose of medicine. So I got the call. The little guy's done with his haircut. So that means I'm done. I had a good little outing today. So, like I say in all the videos, what did we learn? Well, we learned when you take your dog for a haircut, take your camera. Go take some pictures. Really what that means is any chance you get to do what you love. Photos, video, draw, sing, run, lift weights, whatever it is, do it. So, you know, I take this time usually to take photos, videos, as I said, and enjoy the hour and a half. And I'll really enjoy it when I get home and put it on the computer and see what I captured today. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little outing. We can thank Brando and his haircut for it. And I will catch you next time. Tomorrow, I may be out somewhere else. Who knows? Have a good day, guys. See you soon.